standing here beside the Sidling Water, which is a tributary of the River Frome, which is part of the watershed that feeds into Poole Bay. And when we think about wild Atlantic salmon, we often just really connect them with Scotland and Ireland maybe, but actually there are salmon in our chalk streams, and David, in discussion with local scientists, has discovered that there are salmon who come not quite up this far, but not too far away. So as we stand on the banks of the Sidling Water, I'm going to take us on a journey imagining the salmon, a female salmon, returning from the Arctic on her long migration, returning home to breed. This section is called Migration Story. Outbound, her belly gnawed for hundreds of miles northward. Food sources elusive with Atlantic warming. Now from Arctic waters, she-fish comes skirting our coastline, a silver torpedo fattened on capelin and 8 tentacled squid. Attuned via iron in her head to Earth's geomagnetic compass, hen salmon surfs in-channel currents, Lizard Point, Start Point, Portland Bill, where North Sea cools, Gulf Stream. Over bedrock boulders, she's as bird flying above sea squirts, hornwrack, bright anemones and sponges. Ledges where leopard-spotted goby, tompot blenny, cuckoo wrasse lurk. Anadromous nomad, salmon of shimmering selvage of ice shelf, daughter of Sedna, Inuit goddess, creatrix of seal, polar bear, and salmon of birthplace in backwater Dorset chalk, Sidling Water, which suckles the Frome. She who is egg, fry, par, smolt, returning against all odds. She-fish who's dodged nets of offshore factories which rob ancient paths of salmon migration. Survivor of sea lice, bloodsuckers from fish farms plaguing her strength. Warrioress who's evaded every predator, powers now with her 1,000-fold cargo of roe. Below Durlston Head, darts through Swanage Bay where fleur-de-lis timbers shiver, slips round Old Harry Rocks, the circumnavigation of which 19th century ships made with Newfoundland cod, and from the Americas tar, indigo, rice, mahogany, pitch. In Studland Bay she glides over rippling eelgrass in which seahorse, pipefish hide. Here natal rivers hints, scents of genetic nursery coursing through Swash Channel, where fame of Huron spooked ancestor kin, that wide-eyed wooden merman haunting the wreck. But centuries of burial is a fraction of salmonid lineage. Generations that weathered ice ages have felt Poole Bay spread, shrink, spread, and the restless legs of its spits. As twin sentries, they guard the entrance, hold the chain ferry like Magwitch, clanking to and fro across this watery cell. At this spot where river scent grows potent, salmon responds, starts to transition from pelagic to freshwater creature, skin blushing with the need to breed. Soon she-fish will creep beneath speedboats, yachts, nose between Fursey and Brownsea, nudge towards Hamworthy, where black-clad windsurfers backloop, jibe. Senses alert, white muscles quivering, salmon will be dreaming of riffles, of laying her eggs where stream rushes over gravel, and her ache for kipe-jawed males will spur her river run to spawn.